guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm on business trip and this video will cover business trip movements for next 2-3 days. So here is a quick update on my day. I woke up around 8 a.m. and got ready and dropped my grandma at aunt's place. After that I went to the office to collect my PPE kit, like personal protective equipment kit, which is mandatory for site visit. Then I headed back to home, had lunch and packed my bags. By that time I was done, my car had arrived, so I hopped in and left. On the way we stopped at a food mall and guys, best thing happened. I met my favorite childhood crush, Marathi actor Sachin Patil. I love his voice, his height, his nose, literally his whole personality. I was so much happy that moment, so grateful that I met him today. And then we got back on the road, headed to the hotel, and now I'm here. I'm staying just for a night cause I have an early morning flight tomorrow, which means I need to wake up around 2 or 3 a.m. But the plan for now is I'll freshen up and get some work done because I have a presentation tomorrow at the site. So let's do that first. Okay, so I have done some work right now and ordered some snacks for myself. So this is a cheesy garlic bread and this is masala tea for myself. Actually I feel so overwhelmed, so yeah. Okay, so for dinner I ordered normal dal khichdi. So this is like papad, onion, then lemon, and this is delicious dal khichdi. So yes, I'll just have this. And I'm just checking out. Okay, so basically I had only 2 hours of sleep because I worked until 1 a.m. Then woke up around 3 a.m., got ready, checked out of the hotel and went to Mumbai airport to catch my flight. Reached the site, and honestly day 2 and day 3 were super busy. I couldn't shoot anything because of my work. Obviously I'm here for that. Plus mobiles and camera are not allowed in the plant, so that's a whole other thing. Basically I just went to plant, got my work done, and that's pretty much it. Nothing much to say about those days. Guys, I just woke up and went straight for the breakfast, and not gonna lie, I ate literally everything. But yeah, heavy breakfast is a must. And now it's time to take a shower, and I am planning to shoot a YouTube video, and let's see how it goes. Also I'm hoping for like smooth shoot, but knowing me, I think there will be like some chaos, but yeah, we'll do. हेलो आवरा आवरी already posted a YouTube video which I plan to shoot here, so go check it out. of Pune. So after that I took a flight to Pune from there. It was an amazing trip and I just wanted to share the moments I saw and felt during this journey. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.